Finding the right truck bed cover is all about security, convenience, and making your truck more useful every single day. But with so many options out there, it can be tough trying to figure out which one actually fits your needs. That's why in today's video, I'm going through the 6 best retractable truck bed covers that you should seriously consider. Whether it's durability, weather protection, or just making life easier when you're hauling gear, I've got you covered. You'll find links to the best prices for all the retractable truck bed covers mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these truck bed covers aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Gator Recoil Manual Retractable Tonneau Cover. This is the most budget-friendly retractable truck bed cover on our list. This cover perfectly balances price and solid protection. It's built with strong aluminum slats and finished in a matte black powder coat, so it feels sturdy without looking flashy. Though the design is low profile, yet it blends right into your truck's look instead of standing out like a bulky add-on. Plus, the cover uses a sealed ball-bearing roller system. It doesn't have any springs or complicated mechanisms, just smooth sliding when you open or close it. You can also stop and lock it at different points along the rails, which is handy if you're hauling gear of different sizes. Once your tailgate is locked, the cover itself can't be opened, which adds an extra bit of security for whatever's in the bed. Now, while most covers aren't completely waterproof, this one does a good job of channeling rainwater into the canister and out through the drain tubes. So even in heavy rain, your cargo is mostly protected. As for the installation, there's no need to drill anything. The rails just clamp on, and you can have it installed in about 30 minutes. It's also made in the USA and comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. Ed puts it as, "I rarely write a product review and felt compelled to write this review as I'm so impressed with the design and quality of this bed cover. It took less than an hour to install, and it fit like a glove on my 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 with the Pro tailgate. It's constructed of all aluminum, so it will outlast the soft cover ones. Looks great installed as it lays even with the bed top. Each section locks to the bed so that you can ride with the cover folded once, twice, or even with it fully open and resting against the cab. It is well worth the higher cost. Overall, it's the most affordable retractable option that's durable, secure, and easy use. Number 5 is the GatorTrax Retractable Tonneau Cover. This is the most budget-friendly retractable truck bed cover on our list. Now, this one is a solid upgrade from soft vinyl covers that flap in the wind and don't hold up over time. The GatorTrax is made with heavy-duty aluminum, and the whole thing slides smoothly back into its canister when you need access. This cover has a lock and key system, so once your tailgate is shut, your cargo is safe from anyone trying to sneak a look inside. What makes it versatile is that you can stop and lock the cover at any point along the track. That means if you have something taller sticking out of the bed, you don't have to keep it fully open. You can set it right where you need it. And while tonneau covers struggle to keep the water away, this one comes with seals and drain tubes that do a good job of channeling water out, so you're not left with a soaked bed after a storm. Plus, it's durable and has been used in hot climates without much fading or wear, which says a lot about the quality. When it's open, the canister only takes up about a foot of space at the front of your bed, and you can still slide lumber or gear underneath if needed. Overall, if you want a manual retractable cover that's simple, secure, and built to last, the GatorTrax is a smart pick. Number 4 is the Retrax EQ Retractable Tonneau Cover. This is the best electric retractable cover with rails on our list. The Retrax EQ hooks right into your truck's electronics so you can open and close it using your factory key fob, the Retrax phone app, or even an optional keypad. It's smooth, quiet, and made from heavy-duty aluminum, strong enough to hold up to 500 pounds. The rails also have built-in T-slots, so if you want to add racks or even a rooftop tent, you're covered. As for water management, the drain tubes carry rainwater out of the bed, and the rails are designed to channel anything that sneaks past. And unlike soft covers, this thing doesn't flap or rattle. It just locks in place and feels rock solid. Plus, there's an anti-pinch system that stops the cover if something's in the way, and a cinch mode that gently tightens things against the tailgate. And the integrated LED rail light makes a huge difference when loading at night. Now, this isn't a budget option, but it does come with a 5-year warranty, which gives some peace of mind considering the the investment. Overall, if you want the convenience of full electric control and a design that feels built into the truck itself, the Retrax EQ makes a strong case. And if you want to know the latest prices for the retractable truck bed covers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Retrax Extang Trifecta 2.0 Tonneau cover. This is the best soft folding cover with rails on our list. This truck bed cover is very simple to use. It shows up fully assembled, and you don't have to mess around with rails or special tools. You just set it on the bed, tighten 2 clamps at the front, and that's it. Now, the frame is lightweight aluminum, but it's still tough enough to handle daily use. The top itself is a leather grain marine grade fabric that's built to keep out water and sun damage. Plus, there are added seals at all the contact points, including a triple fin seal at the tailgate, so rain and dust have a harder time sneaking in. When it comes to using it, it's straightforward. Open the tailgate, pull down the easy lock clamps on each side, and fold it back. You can clip it in place at 2/3 if you need to haul something taller, or take the whole thing off in minutes if you need the full bed. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which adds a nice peace of mind, and the price usually sits around $550 depending on sales, so it's a solid value compared to other premium soft covers. Overall, this is a simple and durable option that gets the job done without draining your wallet. Number 2 is the Gator SRX Tonneau cover. This is the best value soft roll-up cover with rails on our list. If you're after solid bed protection without spending big, this one's worth looking at. The Gator SRX is made from marine-grade vinyl stretched over aluminum side rails, so it feels sturdy but stays lightweight. The design sits low on the bed at about 3/4 of an inch, so it looks sleek instead of bulky. Opening and closing it is pretty easy. You just pull the trigger latches at the back, roll it forward, and strap it down if you need the bed open while driving. And if you want to roll it back, the shut is just as quick. Once the latches snap in, it seals tight. The hook and loop fasteners along the rails keep water out, and there are seals around the bulkhead and edges to stop rain from sneaking in. Like any soft cover, it's not 100% waterproof, but for most everyday use, it keeps cargo dry. You also get a tension control system so the cover doesn't sag in the heat or cold, which is a nice touch. Installation is simple too and doesn't require drilling. You just clamp it onto the rails and you're done in under an hour. You're also getting a lifetime warranty on the frame and 10 years on the vinyl, plus a 30-day trial if you change your mind. Overall, for the money, the Gator SRX hits that sweet spot between budget-friendly and dependable. Number 1 is the Retrax BakFlip MX4 Gene 3 Tonneau cover. This is the best overall hard folding cover on our list. The reason it earns that spot is pretty simple. It's strong, secure, and built to last. The panels of this truck bed cover are made from durable aluminum with a matte finish that resists scratches, dents, and even UV damage. Compared to the older version, this one is about 22% stronger, yet it feels lighter and easier to open. I also like how flexible it is. You can keep it fully closed, fold it in sections, or flip it all the way up against the cab without blocking your third brake light. And if you ever need full bed space, you can remove the whole cover in just a couple of minutes. Security-wise, the MX4 automatically latches as you close it, and once your tailgate is locked, the bed is sealed tight. And the improved weather seals also help keep out rain. Though, like most covers, you might see a little water near the tailgate. Installation takes a bit of patience, especially with the filler strips and drain tubes, but once it's lined up, it sits flush with the bed rails for a really clean look. One buyer wrote, "Just installed it today and drove around for a few hours. Really good fit. Installation took me about 45 minutes. Very straightforward. Materials are all high quality. Finish is good. It either made it quieter or it quieted some of the frequencies that are most obnoxious. It rolls up tight and compact. It doesn't have a lock, but when the tailgate is locked, you can't open it. I think a real dedicated thief could get through, but it will stop those looking for just an easy target. Overall, super happy overall. If you want the mix of durability, sleek style, and everyday usability, it's worth it, and that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect retractable truck bed cover. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each truck bed cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.